Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can recover deleted messages in TikTok application. Please subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments after watching the video. And let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app. Next, you will need to go to your profile. Then click on the three bars at the top. And this is where you choose your privacy settings. Next is account. And now you'll need to choose to upload your data. Then you'll need to customize what data you want to upload. You can of course leave it like that. You can upload all your data, but if you just want your messages, then you can customize that by clicking here. Then you select Custom, and then at the bottom you click on Messages. And then it's done. Then you select Download Data. And you go straight to the next step, which is called Download Data. And this is where you can see what, for example, the status of your data download request is now. It usually takes anywhere from 1 to 4 days. You'll get a response to your download request. And once you've been approved and responded to, you can then go ahead and download all of your deleted posts. Friends, this is how you can recover deleted messages from TikTok app very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.